absolutely right, Bill. Chaos.
Oh, big hit. On the Balkan car, Chris Nielsen into the Balkan car.
Nielsen did a fantastic job here in the opening. Bam is lining up. Watch that 12 car. Watch him, watch him, watch him. Here comes the 07. Here comes Bam in the 12.
That's the Bam with a head of
The
steam.
champion is on the move.
Somebody got his left. Justin Bamber hit somebody at 30 miles an hour, and here he goes again.
Well, lined him up perfectly. Bam's got him. Here comes the welcome car.
Welcome car didn't want to use the normal sugar. Brad Hubbard's in that welcome car. The 07 is handed sideways. On the ground back side.
Oh, Bam may be hooked up here. He gets off. Here comes the 07. Here he comes. And he drops it. Bam could be in trouble. He's still going.
He wants to hit so much he just hit the wall.
Big impact. Let's see, we got 3 of them still moving. The 75 is he's stuck in between these cars. I think he gets freed up. Problem about being honest.
Curtis Bailey down here to the first turn and with a big hit on the Michael DeBoot car. It's 46 Curtis Bailey. Marvin car still alive.
Michael DeBoot car still going. That last impact really, he's not slowed down here. He's really not been able to get any good speed. Here comes Bam again. He's locked him up. He goes over the car. He goes over the car.
Justin Bamber is still alive and in the air.
The king of crunch is still going. Here they come. They're lining up. Here comes the 24. He's looking for Bam. Oh, he thought better of it. He thought better of it. Also, he's trying to get going. Oh, they're going to sandwich them all.
A sandwich on Sider.
Bam might be done.
And 46 on him.
The champion might be done. Here comes the 07.
Curtis Bailey's been down here on the
Sider.
first turn side. That's the white 46.
Sider's in that 07, I think. The 15 is still going. Sider, look out. Big contact by the 46. Here comes Bam. Bam is back in it. Bam is back in it. Here he comes. Head on. Big contact.
The second big head-on with the front
Here
end
comes
for
the 15.
Bam.
You kidding me? Marcus Michaels in that 15 car. He's still going. I think Bam is done.
Richie Thompson in 24, Daddy's Girl. He got there to Michael's group. Sider's still alive. Bailey's still alive.
Sider, Bailey, Booth, and Thompson. And I think the 24. They're saying the 24's been disqualified. The 24's been disqualified for not attempting to hit anybody.
Still running.
And the 75 is all of a sudden alive.
Houston Rogers, 75 from Pensacola.
So the white 24 is out of the race.
Rogers is 75. Saunders is 07.
Rogers at 75 is in it. Sider in the 07 is still in it.
Bailey in 46.
Bailey in 46. Booth in the 15. He's trying to get off the wall there. Sider's still going. The 75 may be done. And Booth is free. Here comes Sider. Booth trying to line him up. He gets him.
What we need now is a couple of high-speed terminal hits.
3 cars left.
Bailey 46, Booth 15, Seidner 07.
3 cars left. Steam coming out of Sliders, but he's still going.
See, I think it's Seidner.
Sign it up.
Yep. Seidner going out high.
Here comes Slidner.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. That one's close to driver's side for Slidner.
The motor's still running. Now Seidner.
Here we go again.
Seidner likes the high-speed stuff. Let's see what he can do here. Backing, backing, backing. Boom.
He nails Bailey once again. Could Booth be done? I think Booth is done, so it's down to Bailey and Seidner.
Seidner is in love with these high-speed
Booth is
hits.
trying to get free. Booth is running it up. Trying to get loose. So it's Bailey and Seidner for now.
Bailey's got a shot here. Seidner.
So Bailey still going. Seidner's moving.
Seidner's still alive.
The Michaels and Booth, I think Booth is done. He just can't get off the wall.
Well, Seidner's hitting cars that are apples.
So Booth is done. It's down to 2.
07 and 46. And Seidner hits another disabled car.
Seidner's just hitting anything.
He hit the wall. He'll hit anything. So it's Curtis Bailey in 46. Camden Seidner in 07.
Look at Seidner's car. This thing is all torn up. It's going to take one more hit. And Seidner, with wheels falling off of the thing. Curtis Bailey, here we go. Here we go, they're lining up. Oh, Bailey, I think he should have kept going. He had the front end of Seidner in his sights. Here we go. This is what Bailey needs.
Bailey's
As here
ready.
comes Seidner. Just needs that one impact.
Don't want to get hung.
Seidner may be hung.
Now he's free.
Now he's freed up. Bailey trying to line up that front end. Here's Bailey's opportunity. Bailey's got a shot. Seidner better get out of there. Here comes Bailey. And he missed him. Seidner, I don't know how that car is still going.
Bailey's going to get free now. Bailey can get some distance and really get on Seidner.
This could be the kill shot if Bailey can get it.
Watch Bailey for the not enough speed. Maybe he'll try it again.
I don't know if he may be done anyways. It's over and Bailey wins.
Curtis Bailey from Pensacola, $1,500 Demolition Derby winner number 46.
Curtis Bailey wins the Demolition Derby.
The Crown Vic wins it all.
Fans, make some noise.
Camden Seidner is second. Camden Seidner took a wild pill before he came here, but Curtis Bailey is the winner on the roof with the checkered flag.
Thanks for coming.